guys, welcome back to my channel. As y'all can see, this is part 2 to the last vlog I posted. So today's gonna be like, since it's 2 days after my birthday, I'm still celebrating it. And today I'm having this party. It's a bonfire party. Don't mind this right here. I don't know why. This is the worst time a pimple can come. Then I popped it, then it turned to a scab, so it's just irritating me. But yeah, today is my party for my birthday. The day of my birthday, which is the 9th, I actually just went out to dinner. But today I'm having a party, so y'all gonna see my friends and everything that come over. So yeah, the party is gonna be at my house. So yeah, people gonna come over and we're gonna have a bonfire in my backyard, because I did just buy one. Well, it's my mother's, but it's still new, like she didn't use it yet. But yeah, I just brushed my teeth and everything, threw something on real quick because I gotta go in the backyard and help set up a little bit. So far we did the inflatable chairs. We blew those up, and now we better go up there and put some lights up, because it is gonna be like dark time. It is gonna be like dark outside when I do have the bonfire. So yeah, so I'm gonna go out there and show y'all how the chairs look. But yeah, don't judge me. I am wearing some sweatpants, Crocs, and a hoodie. And also my camera is about to die, so I'm gonna try to show you as much as I can. So I don't know if y'all know or not, but my dog keep barking because I just left out. But my yard is big, so I'm gonna show y'all what I got up right now. So far we actually raking the leaves up. Let me show y'all. So I got piles of leaves everywhere, and we're gonna get those up. I don't know if y'all have these rules here, but here you can't put leaves in a trash bag anymore. You gotta put it in a paper bag, or else they won't take it. But here are the chairs. They're inflatable. Some of them look like they actually come apart. I don't know, we'll figure that out. But yeah, you just inflate them with the little air pump. And yeah, it's gonna look so cute. These are gonna be around the basketball court after we get these leaves up, and then the bonfire gonna be right in the middle. But yeah, I can't wait. But yeah, also I'm about to get ready to hang up lights that's gonna be around the fence, so that's gonna look cute too. And what time is it actually? It's only 1 o'clock, if y'all can see. And the thing don't start till 6, but you know how people be. They're not gonna get here exactly at 6, so we gonna have plenty of time. Oh, here's the bags. Guess how the bags look. And we was breaking it. But yeah, you can't have them in trash bags anymore. But I'm going back in the house, and I'll get up with y'all once I'm back outside. Hey y'all, so it is a couple hours later. I told y'all I was gonna get back up with y'all when I put the lights up, but it was too much happening. So yeah, now it is, what time is it? It's 6:08, and like I said, it's supposed to start at 6, but you know, people are fashionably late, and that's okay because we're not really finished setting up right now. But yeah, I'm about to show y'all what, I don't know if I told y'all, but it is a bonfire and the theme is pajamas. So here's mine. This is a 2-piece pajama set from Jada, Wait a Minute. I think y'all can see it right there. Wait a Minute merch, the nighttime set. And then I just put some fluffy socks on with my Crocs, and then I added my robe. I did actually have another robe, which is right here, this gray one, but it didn't, you know, color coordinate with what I got on. I did try it on. It still looked okay, but I feel like this looked better, so I'm gonna wear this one. I might change it later, I don't know, because that one is thicker and more comfortable. But yeah, anyways, let me go show you how the outside looks. Yeah, only thing I really have to do is fix my hair because it is frizzy and everything, and I gotta do my edges a little bit. So I'm gonna go out here and show you how it looks out here so far. It's so cute. Hopefully y'all can see out here because it is a little dark, but We got hot dogs and hamburgers on the grill. And we also had some chicken kebabs, but they probably put them up. What? And then this is the mini sofas with the blankets like this. And this is where the fire gonna be. It hasn't been lit yet, but as y'all can tell, yeah. Then we have the like photo background, but yeah, it's so cute. And then we have the snack table.
Don't close your eyes to get away. Just hang my line and I'll arrange it. Beautiful girl, you're stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless.
And this is where the food gonna be. So we still cooking right now, but yeah.
All I'm drinking is champagne. All you want is
it got dark so fast. Like I said, it's only 6 o'clock. But yeah, I'll get back up with y'all once everything's more finished over here.
same thing.
Yeah. The 10,000 building, get your ass an apartment, put you inside a G-class, that's just a starter kit. Plenty things count in life, but none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck is chess games. Shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon. Swear I'm more purple rain.
We got Monet on the grill.
Wait. I'm up today at the cookout.
You what?
I'm up today at the cookout.
Thorough winks aid. What's the hint?
Tossing insults.
Constant insult.
Tossing an insult to somebody.
Oh.
This one easy.
Thorough winks aid.
Oh, that's when I.
Oh,
That's
Oh,
just
throw
said it. Yeah, I was like,
I felt real dumb because I really couldn't think. I've never like. Have you played before that? No. I mean, I played something similar, but not this exact game.
Sit on a little chair.
yeah, go ahead.
Princeton, Prince Charming. Disappointment, I stay expecting it. The pessimist, gold medalist, flush the magnums just so they not collecting my specimens down.
Hello stranger, it's been a minute since we last kicked it.
Give me the hint. 16.
Job addicted.
Workaholic.
Yeah. If I ain't give you that hint,
That is me. I should have known that.
And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't.
Okay, so that's the hint. Okay, let's see what it's saying. Okay, who wanna go? I'm gonna try. Okay.
I'm gonna get it wrong.
All right. No, they sound hard, but count down on the timer. Like 1, 2, 3, and then I'm gonna try.
That looked like a lot of words.
It might not be. You might get it. You might get it though. You might get it. It might not be. You ready? All right, ready? Okay, 3, 2, go.
That's like 8
Go
words.
ahead, start it.
Mom else. H brim stop.
Option due to unusual rain and thunder. Baby, I wonder, would you put your sweats on for me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will.
I'm gonna be in the order. I call him like Tony. He like it when I get drunk, but I like it when he get soda.
Well, come through and chill.
Oh shit.
Shit.
See, yeah, it didn't
I
work.
want to break the table. I don't want to hurt myself.
Y'all, it is over. The time is 12:54, and let's just say 10 out of 10. Definitely recommend y'all to have like a bonfire with y'all friends. It was like good vibes, everybody comfy near the fire. We was playing games and stuff. As y'all seen in the last clip, I didn't really record much because we were just like chilling, vibing and stuff. But yes, everybody left. I did clean some stuff up, but the tables and everything still set. Like with all the stuff on it is in the house. So tomorrow, not zoomed in. Tomorrow I'll probably go back out there and take off the tablecloth and actually like sweep and stuff. I know some people spill some stuff, but it's alright. But yeah, good night. I'll catch y'all in the morning when I wake up. Hopefully I got something planned for y'all. And yeah, stay tuned for what's next. Good morning, guys. It's the next morning. Well, not morning, because it's 2:48. I actually woke up earlier, but I went back to sleep. And I've been up for a while now. I ate and whatever. But now I'm about to go outside and get like some of the stuff that was up. Like that was in the yard. Yeah, I'm so like, this outfit was so cute. Well, this pajama set was so cute. I didn't get no pictures in it. And then nobody told me I spilled hot chocolate on myself. Like that's crazy. But yeah. Oh, I'm here real quick.
I'm so like you, that bitch I do it. Oh, I won't cry, you skinny. I'm not. Long if you joking, now it's for me. I ain't got it.
You gonna pop it too? Okay. Get. What's a bag? I don't know if I can pick them lights back. It's not as clean like it was before we put the stuff down, but we took everything down, so yeah. Hey y'all, I am back. It is 6:48, as y'all can see, and I'm hungry, so I'm about to go downstairs and cook. I already defrosted some chicken earlier, so I'm gonna actually go down there and cook it. I didn't feel like getting up. I was too cozy in my bed because I'm trying to get all my relaxation in, because I go back to work tomorrow. So I'm gotta take off with me while I cook. So yeah, after I cook, I'm gonna take me a shower and I'm going to bed, because I gotta get back on my work schedule, honestly. But yeah, here's the chicken that I thawed out, and yeah, I'm about to just season it up and make my magic with it. So firstly, y'all can see, I'm gonna dump the water and stuff out of it. And since I use this bowl to thaw out the chicken, I'm gonna still keep it on the side to season it. If you know, you know. Then I got me a cutting board to cut up the chicken into little bite-sized nuggets or whatever. So that's what I'm about to do right now. So the chicken is over here. I'm probably make all of these, honestly. Well, first let me pour these in here. Like this. This is how they looking in here. Raw chicken. What they call it? Tenderloins? Whatever it's called. Yeah. And since I'm working with raw chicken, I'm probably not gonna be touching my camera. I'm gonna be listening to music while I do this. So yeah, I'm gonna speed this up.
Hide your body, as long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I get lost when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important.
Oh my gosh, Cody.
I be in a loop, she be in a group. Brody want a friend, don't have a loop. Turn something to nothing, bro, I'm living proof. How can I lose when we the who's? Still running around with more, get ready, pack to go, yeah. People probably think I show up, I ain't even give it yet. Running up a silly shit, staying off the internet. Share the stage with Billy Allen, turn any given time. Personal problems till we're talking, cause I got rich without them. Only thing they should be saying is, baby, keep it silent. We ain't even keep it to used to be, this shit slick the body. Right, got no hustle or nothing, so he gon' stick the body. I be knowing the rundown, I'm doubting, so I can't speak about it. She know I'm the things, and she love me, I bring the freak about it. Can't play with me, you know I coach her. I'm in a different league, I'm tired of showing I can get done. What you gon' do for me? 40,000 miles up in the air, every time I get some Z's. Full cook press, put on their neck, and I can't let them breathe. Blood, sweat, and tears come with this shaking, ain't nowhere near easy. Had to fall back, you know I let go, we only speaking briefly. Hope I'm not too much to handle. See this nigga from Atlanta, I spent my last check on ammo. This is not a regular Lambo. $100,000 kit, could've put down on another Lambo. Don't be in the mix, I built this shit forever, have to say so. This shit gon' get serious about my money, this ain't no fucking play-doh. Wrote it down for double homicide, I try to tell him lay low. See, don't like the drive, but he still good, I'm on the way to Clayco. AK-47s in the spots before they made the Draco. I'm just tryna ball and live, 100 mil, I'm calling deals. I'm the boss, pay all the bills, I'm the golden child for real. So I finish, bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years, and I'm out here grinding still. I need equity to sign a deal. I'm just tryna ball and live, 100 mil, I'm calling deals. I'm the boss, pay all the bills, I'm the golden child for real. So I finish, bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years, and I'm out here grinding still. I need equity to sign a deal. Over buying cars, I snatched the barbers just for motivation. Shoot out at the spot today, tomorrow we at a new location. For y'all know the guys, I hope y'all beat the case and get probation. Stashed at my mama's house, 400 bands in the ventilation. Now look how I'm living, I bought a house for the money to stay at. Right when niggas think that I got soft, I'ma pull up and spray it. Living like a dime, I smoke a blunt in the back, you done made that. Put up like your mama with this switch, why the fuck would you say that? You can do it first, I'ma do it worse, gotta double the payback. Never take it personal, show no mercy, I taught me that way back. Cuno took it off, I was always talking, stay hoes where you stay at. Keep a stash house, you can't take nothing to the spot where you lay at. Never be a bother if you want me, no problem, just say that. Never running off, so if I owe you, I got you, I pay that. Get this shit my heart, so when I'm old, I can chill and just lay back. Really from the bottom, so the trenches is where I feel safe at. I'm just tryna ball and live, 100 mil.
Yo, Metro. I fell in love with a lesbian. Can't knock on your door, baby, let me in. I should've learned my lesson then. I didn't wanna keep going, I was hesitant. I tried to ignore gon' trust myself, ain't no better than. But they roll it two-tone like the president. And it ain't been no back and forth ever since. Yeah, took the bitch on the trip, now she feeling me. Exotic frame of Philippines. No kissing, no stain, no pressure clean. Ice out the chain with hella beats. While that water like rain on that G-Star beat. I might start copping going like I'm Mr. T. I won't ride that new rose of that Bentley beat. We gon' got some Chanel, the devil see. And I bought her a bag, got her loving me. I'ma pop on my place like I'm double D. I'ma hop on the jet, hit another city. I got fans who gon' pay for me. I need my shit now, I can't wait a week. Fuck on that kitty, she take it deep. I fell in love with a lesbian. Can I knock on your door, baby, let me in. I should've learned my lesson then. I didn't wanna keep going, I was hesitant. I try to ignore all the evidence. I'm gon' trust myself, ain't no better than. But they roll it two-tone like the president. And it ain't been no back and forth ever since.
I killed the world with no evidence. I pay my dues up like every cent. And shit, I'm fresh as a peppermint. Riches, they come, ain't no better man. Alright, it go like a treasure chest. Alright, it go like a leprechaun. I got this shit with a magazine. Young nigga fly as a pelican. I treat my ball like they one-on-one. I treat these hoes like they one-on-one. I smoke your dog and you 0-1. I smell like Dover, no overcome. I made a play at the tongue, and I had double goals, some bubble gum. I got a chain and some another sun, and I jab all enough from another one. Shout eating crazy, we way in London. I got hat take the yard like a Farrakhan. Now that my hoes on a beer gun, I was there running streets and some marathon. Bitch like pen, make me build. Take 8 pit and kill. My dope turn to the throw away all of my jealous. Spittle, been to a cup, no little. I done ran them M's on the little. Everything spawn, gotta get her. Riding with a bitch in my color. About to dress a bitch up and then cut her. About to feature my pistol with that. About to pull up on you, hold my brothers. I fell in love with a lesbian. Can I knock on your door, baby, let me in. I should've learned my lesson then. I didn't wanna keep going, I was hesitant. I try to ignore all the evidence. But I'm gon' trust myself, ain't no better than. But they roll it two-tone like the president. Ain't been no back and forth ever since. I fell in love with a lesbian. Can I knock on your door, baby, let me in. I should've learned my lesson then. I didn't wanna keep going, I was hesitant. I try to ignore all the evidence. But I'm gon' trust myself, ain't no better than. But they roll it two-tone like the president. And it ain't been no back and forth ever since.
So I also got macaroni that is made. So yeah, I'm gonna put that beside it. So hopefully I'm gonna show y'all how I look at the end.
Sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with them. Pray you get that job in time, but that's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is fastest. Whichever one is in the household. Oh, damn, yeah. Never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. I got something that I could lend you. A peace of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. I get you home by a decent time. Wait, fuck your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm tryna keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all the questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes.
Alright y'all, so I finished eating. I'm back in my room. As y'all can see, I did a little cooking scene for y'all. But yeah, I'm gonna eat some snacks. I got a Rice Krispie treat and some chocolate. And yeah, I'm about to just take my shower, go to bed, and get ready for work tomorrow because it is 8 o'clock, if y'all can see. And yeah, so I'm gonna get in the shower and I'll get up with y'all maybe tomorrow, but we'll see. I'll be back. Hey guys, welcome back. So before I end this video, I just want to show y'all what came in the mail today. So as y'all know, I said I did have something big coming for y'all, so here it is. Beanies. So alright, so don't mind me, I just got for work. But it says rich all my life in the front with a dollar sign. And on the back it also has a dollar sign. And yes, it only comes in this colorway, which is green and the pink. But yeah, it's so pretty. I'm gonna put, if I get my website and everything together by the time this video is up, the website will be right here. And yeah, go shop. The price is also going to be right here too, because I'm still deciding on it. But of course I wanted to make it, like, you know, affordable for everybody. So yeah, I'm actually trying it on for you guys, because yeah, I did have like my mother try it on. Hold up guys, and it fit like kind of perfectly. So is this, yeah, this is the one. Alright. And also I just need to order some poly millers too. It's so soft guys, the quality is like amazing. Like, this is some good quality right here. So this is the front. Rich all my life. It's so cute. And then the back is just the dollar sign, if y'all can see. But yeah, the colorway is perfect. The pink and the green go together so well. And yeah, I'm gonna be rich all my life. Yes sir. But yeah, I will be promoting it on TikTok as well. So if you guys don't follow my TikTok, go ahead and follow me right now. It's going to be in the link in the description down below. And yeah, hope you guys are ready for these to drop. By the time this video is up, hopefully the website is up. Go ahead and support me guys. Hey guys, this is a couple days later. It's like the 15th now, November 15th. And yeah, I tried to hold out and add some more stuff to this vlog, but obviously I've been at work and I haven't did anything at all. So instead of like prolonging this vlog, I want to get it out to y'all soon. So I'm gonna end this video right here. Hope you guys enjoyed my birthday as much as I did and gave you a little insight or whatever. But yeah, this will end the video right here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share this video. And yeah, if you're watching this video and you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to me. I'm on my goal to hit 20K now. I got like 10.7. So yeah, subscribe. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.